डॉन को ढूंढते ढूंढते हम यहाँ पे आ पहुंचे and guess who we have, the lovely jungly Billy Priyanka Chopra. Welcome Priyanka.
Thank you so much, Madhurita.
Okay, so tell me how difficult it is to catch Dawn. Dawn को पकड़ना कितना मुश्किल है?
मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. डॉन को कोई नहीं पकड़ सकता. कोशिश सब करते हैं. रोमा करती है. 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस ही नहीं, लेकिन अब तो पूरे दुनिया की पुलिस करती है. तो आपको फिल्म देखना पड़ेगा, तब आप जानेंगे कि डॉन पकड़ा गया या नहीं.
Are there any Romaisms that you can tell us about how to catch Dawn? How close can we get to Dawn?
You can get close to Dawn. You can get very close to Dawn. लेकिन डॉन धुएं की जैसा है. कभी यहाँ, कभी गायब.
We believe you like bad boys.
This quote of mine is never going. Yeah, it'll go down in history. Yes, I do actually like bad boys that I can take home to my mother.
That's interesting. Wonder whether does a mother like bad boys too?
Yes, my mother does like bad boys.
It's a good package then.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh has amazing energy, whether it's he's on screen, whether it's promoting his films. How do you keep pace with that?
Because I have amazing energy too.
Okay, that makes a great pair.
I think so.
The fact that Dawn is more evil in this film, like you said. So have you like modeled yourself like?
Roma is tougher. Roma is tougher. She's angrier, and she's really pissed off.
Okay, you know, you seem to be really enjoying this action area in filmmaking. So do you want to take a break after this because you've done a lot of action?
No, I've done Dawn and Drona. I like doing different genres of films. Like that, so you should ask somebody who keeps doing romantic films, do you want to take a break from romantic films? I don't think that's fair. You do films that you enjoy doing. I'm good at different genres of movies. I like pushing myself to be able to play any sort of character.
Priyanka, we haven't seen you do a typical and all-out item number yet. In a while after your Desi Girl stint.
Well, that was in my own film.
Right, yeah.
So songs in your own films, I don't think should be called item songs, really. Yeah, I haven't done songs in anybody else's movie, and I think that when a great song comes along, why not? I would definitely be open to it.
In fact, you're working with all these romantics in Bollywood, whether it's a Shah Rukh or a Shahid or a Ranbir. So you're like basking in all of that?
Basking in what?
You know, they're all romantic heroes, so...
Yeah, but in my films they're not.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, Shah Rukh is extremely evil in my film, and Ranbir and I, even though in Barfi, it's a comedy, you know, comic sort of film, but it's very different. And yes, Teri Meri, I mean, it's not called Teri Meri Kahani yet, that's the working title, but Kunal's film is a romantic film altogether, yes, for sure. And Shahid and I, when we worked in Kameene, it wasn't really romantic, but this will be our first romantic movie.
We believe Dostana 2 is going on the floors again. Do you have any suggestions for who would be the next leading lady?
I have no idea, but I think Katrina is a part of the film, but I'm not sure. I haven't spoken to Tarun about it or Karan, but I'm really happy that Dostana 2 is happening. It's a film that definitely should be made. It's a really cool movie, and I think it'll be really fun to watch.
Any actors you like to have this fight with?
No, Baba, I'm not taking a chance. With Dawn is enough.
Priyanka को पटाना कितना मुश्किल है? How difficult is it for a man to woo you?
पटाना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
Come on, you can't be so tough.
I'm not tough, but I have very high standards.
And what are they like? Give us a sneak peek.
I don't like guys who are conventional, chocolates and flowers and poetry. It's very boring.
On the typical romance.
No, I like guys who keep me on my toes. I would like to have somebody who I respect. I'm an achiever. He has to be an achiever. That's very important. I admire drive. I admire ambition. I admire somebody who's confident within themselves. That for me is very important. He has to be funny. He has to have a sense of humor. But more than anything, hold his own, you know. That's very important. So like I said, I have very high standards.
But you still do believe in romance, don't you?
Tremendously. Yeah. What? I'm a mush pot. I'm a Cancerian. Okay. I live with romance in my brain.
You know, nowadays actresses are really carrying this film on their shoulders, whether it's you in Saat Khoon Maaf or something like Dirty Picture. What do you think about that?
I think it's amazing. I think I think it started with fashion in a way. When fashion became a huge hit and it took a huge opening, you know, everybody used to tell me at that point, are you mad? So early in your career, you're doing a film which is entirely on your shoulders. ये चलता नहीं है film industry में ऐसा. India में heroine, you know, can't carry the films on their shoulders and stuff like that. But I still wanted to do it because I believed in Madhur and I believed in the script. And now, and the film took a huge opening despite of all the odds against it, and A certificate film coming in Diwali against Golmaal, but it still was a big hit. And
You were the hero of the film.
That's what I'm
Right,
saying.
yeah,
So
exactly.
it's really nice to see, women doing that. Whether it was Vidya and Dirty Picture, whether it was Katrina and Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, or whether it was No One Killed Jessica Rani and Vidya again, or whether it was Saath Khoon Maaf. It's really nice to see that people are, women can be torchbearers of a film as well.
So give us a quick Dawn sign-off line.
One of my favorite Dawnisms, which I'll say. कौन कहता है कि चमत्कार नहीं होते? कभी मुझे करीब से देखा है.
Wish you all the luck. Yeah,
Thank you
thanks
so
for
much.
being on the show.
Thank you.